that is a bit worrying. I'm hoping that this is okay. Well, we're hoping it's okay. Dav's gone quiet now, the video's on. But yeah, all these marks, we've just given a really light dusting over the lacquer we did last time. You can see how shiny it still is, even on the video actually. You can see a reflection of everything in there. But there's all these little marks we've put in now. We've only been using 2500 grit sandpaper just to try and get rid, because there's loads of like little bits of dust and stuff on it. But now it's really smooth to touch again, which is quite nice. Got rid of most of it. So hopefully the lacquer will take and it won't react and it'll be okay, and everything will be good for the final coat. It's just, yeah.
The best time they're going to sand it down now.
Well, you don't think it's the best time to sand it down now?
Oh no, it's fine now.
I love how shiny that's looking. It's like it's got beads of water coming up on it. And that's not even really waxed on it yet. That's just cool as fuck. Yeah, that's mostly paint in that bag there, but there's also like a can hidden in that shelf there next to the pint glass. There's another one over there. There's another one there on that bit. There's another one there warming up next to the radiator. There's one in my hand. There's another one down there. There's another one down there. It's like, oh. Oh, thank you, big boy.
Yeah, you see nice.
Go away.
Yeah.
Let me put the lights on for you.
Right, I'm going alright. Yeah.
What do you think?
You need, remember the badge you had at home?
Yeah.
You need to put that on, okay?
Yeah. So, I am absolutely gutted. As you may or may not know, my car had a custom one-off bonnet on it. It was one that I brought half finished, 60 quid, and was going to finish it off myself. And me and my friend, we thought we had, but some cracks started appearing recently in the bonnet itself. So, and then I kind of ignored them, but then today I opened it up and I could hear water sloshing around. So, I'll show you why I'm gutted. This is where the bulge is. Look how thick that filler is there. That's the body filler that was underneath one part. Oh, if you look at this bit, you can actually see layers, look. That was the, I think part of that was theirs, then another part on top, and then if you look at the very top underneath the paint, you can see that very skinny bit I skimmed was mine, the tiniest bit on the top, and then the rest of that is. Another thing they'd done on this was they kind of made these holes slightly too big for the vents, so they put these like little pieces on here, like little clips, and they've actually, like, I don't know the best way to describe it really. They just, yeah, they were using wood screws to hold it in, and like instead of using tiger seal, they were using like a rubber bonder, like all this as well underneath. It's like it's almost like glue gun glue. It's just, I think that's scrap, but I did find where the water was coming from. I have got a spare bonnet, my old standard one sat waiting in the wings, so it's not going to look like that driving around.